Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online. How are you? Happy Monday. Hope you're doing good. A lot of if you're in the coronavirus North American sort of phase two, you're probably some of your kids gone back to school, June 1st, all that good stuff. So you might have a little bit more free time, and you might be going, "Phew, kids are gone for a couple hours at least." Anyways, today is selling high ticket program funnels and earning at least $1,000 plus per day. This is doable, guys. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna really talk about how you're going to do it. The mechanics are actually really easy, and people really try to complicate it. It's not. The mechanics are not complicated. So if you like videos about making money online, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you get notified when I go live, and we're going to get into it. So first off, what is a high ticket program anyways? Well, a high ticket program just is a more costly, usually it's a training program. It's usually like a series of trainings, or it's a high-end webinar. Tony Robbins just came out with a big one. Who else? There's lots of Clickfunnels comes out with different ones. Their book, actually, when you get the free book from Clickfunnels, that's actually a high ticket item. It takes you through a series of sales in that. Legendary, one of my favorite programs. That's another one that has high ticket sales inside. MLSP is another one. They have lots of different programs, including high ticket programs inside, including almost like a what I would call a high ticket subscription. So there's a $300 subscription per month there, and if you refer someone, it's $150 a month. Guys, you refer 10 people. That's a good little income, to just a little side income that's coming in, right? So it's not that hard to do, but what we want to talk about is the philosophy behind it. So there's two main components, right? It's basically it's the TNT factor, right? It's trust and traffic, guys. That's what it is. You have to basically, you need to brand yourself, right? Like there's something we call basically build, engage, and then sell, right? Like so you build an audience, you engage an audience, and then you sell to an audience. Well, the same thing. That's sort of the trust part of it, right? You need to build trust. You need to create your online entity with integrity. Number one, make sure you're not just promoting crappy stuff, or if you have some reputation management you have to do, like maybe you put some you referred some really bad programs. You need to get rid of all that negative stuff out there. Like if you've got some, maybe you did a blog post a couple of years ago on a program that totally went south. I recommend getting rid of that. You don't want any negative connotations about you. I mean, it'll still be out there in different forms, but as long as it's not on your main information, I recommend getting rid of that stuff, because you really want to create a positive entity. Who are you, right? I'm Glenn Murray. If you go to work with Glenn Murray, you see all the information about me. You see my picture of my wife. You see a picture of my children. If you go to my Facebook, you see that I'm very involved in our family, my in-laws. There's a lot of shots of just, we love to we were a really big on family units, especially with the pandemic, and so you see pictures of my wife and my kids and I were out going on our walks. My wife Anne's parents come over. We do Sunday dinners every time. There's shots of my kids about food, this kind of stuff. So when you see me online, there's nothing. I'm not just a walking billboard. Not not everything on my profile is like, hey, buy this, buy this, buy this, which some people do. You can't have that, guys. You need to be a real person. Show who you are. Can you have a business page that does that? Absolutely. Have a business page that's completely transparent, that connects back to your other social media, and have that. Like my Twitter profile, FNA Network, it's a news feed for the programs I do, and mainly I don't just promote the program. I promote content educating about the program, right? And this is there's a fine line. People go, well, Glenn, you're just posting your YouTube videos. Yeah, I post YouTube videos. I post motivational quotes. I post blogs, right? All of those are interesting content for my target market, who's looking for ways to make money online. They're looking at those things, and that's what they're looking for. They're looking for information. They find that information. Inside those information, I then make an offer. I say, hey, by the way, if you're interested in this program, then click the link below, or click the link here, or learn about this, or learn about that, right? Now, what do I promote? I promote training because I find it's the best thing to be promoting online, t- t- hands down. Selling products, wow. Forex, cryptocurrency, that's all just like, that's all speculation stuff. Matrices, money schemes, all these kind of things. It's just, no. Find good training or software as a service. So here's my main programs, guys. Legendary training program, great program. They have a $7 business challenge. I recommend everybody to do it. Click the link below, check it out, go do the 15-day challenge. It will, seriously, go do it for $7. It will change your mindset on how you're going to do marketing. Um, Number two, I promote a program called My Lead System Pro. It's all about it's all about training about people that want to do network marketing, meaning you're going to be building a team, you're going to be doing all these you're going to have to basically manage a team, you're going to be branding yourself, where we get build, engage, to sell. That's for, excuse me, that's from them, right? So basically, I think it's build, engage. I don't know. I think I've got that wrong right now. I was playing my kids. Anyways, that's the concept of it. But they do training on. It's all about network marketing, building teams, and how you're going to brand yourself in order to attract people to your team, and doing it online, not bothering friends and family. So those two programs alone, pure marketing, and how to network market. Those are my two main programs, guys. Those show people how to market, and they both offer an incredible commission for affiliates. So if you refer it to people, you get paid over and over and over. They're subscription based. Now inside those, there's some tools I use that I promote. And one of them is Clickfunnels, and you guys can take a tour down below. You'll see a 14-day free Clickfunnels. They have an amazing affiliate program, again high ticket. I also promote something called Now Lifestyle, which is a basically, it's a platform where you can have you can have your websites, you can have your video hosting, you can have conference rooms, so you can do webinars, and it's all combined. It has a complete autoresponder series. It has everything you need in it, right? And why I like promoting it is that it's an official affiliate network marketing hybrid, meaning it pays direct commissions on a as an affiliate, but you also get this nice passive income from Binary by referring it to just a couple of people. It pays out 100% of the commissions. It's a small fee to be a reseller, but it pays out an amazing amount of commissions, and the software will save you money than buying the software elsewhere. So it's a complete win-win. I've got a ton of people joining that one right now, and I'll put that link below too. So those are so now let's talk about, so that's basically, well, I kind of went into the hybrid thing, but going back to the trust thing, you see what I'm promoting, and you see my profile, and you see that there's no shady stuff. So all these things, that's what I'm promoting. So I'm building the trust. Now comes the traffic. Now, this is the key thing, and so many people are freaked out about it, and they think that they're just gonna, that everyone that opts in or puts their email is going to join. Guys, that's not the case. You need to send a lot of traffic at this. In this industry, there is a ton of tire kickers. There's so many people that are just tire kicking to fill out their form, to fill out a form, to fill out a form. They won't do anything. It's your job to get as many people as you can onto your list, as many people as you can that fit your target, right? So make sure that you're advertising the correct thing, right? Like you don't want to be advertising, hey, get fit here, and then try to sell someone, those people that join your get fit list, try to sell them, make money online stuff. Like, you don't want to do that. And so you basically need to send a bunch of traffic. How do you send traffic? Well, it's great. Now Lifestyle offers a co-op, right? You can buy leads. I'm getting leads and leads and leads every single day. Like it's just going crazy. And then you just have to follow up with them, right? And I follow up through email. I don't even get on the phone. I just follow up. And if someone wants to chat on Messenger, it's all done online. If someone wants to jump on the phone, no problem. But most people don't anymore. They just want to chat by Messenger. Um, I also use solo ads. I use solo ads, and I use free ads. I use something called basically viral mailers, or safe mailer systems. So those are things that I use in driving that traffic. But remember, if you drive the traffic and you don't have the trust, it's going to be 10 times harder to make the sale, as opposed to you drive the traffic, they land on their page, they go, I'm going to go Google who this guy is. They find your content out there and they're like, oh, he's got this content, this content, this content. It's all congruent. Then selling a high ticket item is so much easier. It's so much easier than doing it cold, because you've basically put yourself out there as branded as a trust person, right? You've got all this stuff out there. And don't make fake Facebook profiles, guys. They look so fake. Like all the Forex crypto guys that do it, oh my word, it's the worst fake profiles ever. It's a guy in a suit with a foot up on the curb or whatever, looking, leaning over the car, or they're in a business setting, and it, like, they're just so fake, or they're like this totally groomed GQ picture of a guy and he's got a little dog or something, like, and like, guys, they're so fake. Be real. Be real. The more real you are, the more little flaws and little mistakes and little kind of nuances that make you you. That's what people want to connect with. They can connect with that. When you make things too fake, people are like, oh, it's fake. Or they're like, oh, I can never be like that. And they move on, right? So you have to be real. You have to be real. Now, if you're selling bikinis or you're selling like something, yeah, of course you want to show off like what a potential is. But even still, there's that's going to sell to a very small audience, as opposed to building a trust factor by branding yourself and creating that thing. So remember, TNT, trust and traffic. Trust and traffic for selling high ticket program funnels. And guys, once you get this into your head, and once you wrap your mind around this, and once this becomes your only mission, it's actually quite easy, because you're not spending a lot of time chasing this. You're just like, okay, I just need to make my whole online entity, my appearance, completely congruent, and then I just need to send traffic to my offers. Like that's it, guys. There's no other crazy secret. And people get so bogged down on, oh, what am I going to write about? Oh, I'm going to go try this program because it promises this. I'm going to try this program that promises. They can all probably work. But the problem is you're not sending enough traffic to them. So you're saying, oh, they don't work, right? You have to send a lot of traffic. So focus on traffic. Focus on traffic more than anything. All right, guys? That's how you will sell a high ticket thing. But don't focus on traffic until you've created your trust brand. It doesn't have to be a lot, guys. Go grab a Now Lifestyle, right? Put up your branded site. At least you have that. There you have your branded site. Or if you're in Clickfunnels, grab a domain there. They give you a free domain. Grab a domain there and use that as your main. Use it, right? Like okay, Google workwithglenmurray.com or glenmurrayonline.com. You will see it's one is a funnel. One goes into a funnel, and the other one is just a blog, an authority site showing who I am, some blog posts, what do I do, some resources, all that kind of thing. All right. That's what I have for you guys today. Hey, remember, watch this video next. This is going to tell you about Now Lifestyle, which I think is really important that you go get a branded site there. And the link will be below. You can find it in the links. Go take the business challenge. Do it today. Do it. Start it today. You get assigned your own coach. It's worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars for $7. And I've already said watch this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you guys are staying safe. Hope you're being healthy. And we're going to get over this soon. And all my, I'm not really religious, but all my feelings, or as if I was religious, my prayers go out to the people that are in the States that it's what's happening down there. I feel so sorry. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm very connected to it. My wife is American, and I lived down there for 10 years. So I'm very connected to the States. All right, guys. Cheers. Bye.